welcome to my channel. I'm Heather and today we are making French toast bake and it's a pumpkin fall twist. So let's go. I have 8 eggs in a bowl and I'm going to add a 1.5 cups of milk. Next, we're gonna add a cup of pumpkin. This is homemade pumpkin puree. All you do is cut a pumpkin in half, put it in the oven on the baking sheet for about 45 minutes at like 450. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. This is the good stuff. Cool. Next, the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. I'm a little generous and I like extra because pumpkin pie spice is the best. Pop that off. Oh, that was 1 heaping teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Next, you're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then you whisk. So in front of me is about, I'd say 1/2 pound of challah bread. And I say 1/2 pound because the bread I got said it's a whole pound of challah bread. So it's about half of it in here in a 12-inch round pan. I sprayed the bottom with a little bit of cooking spray because last time I made this, it stuck to the bottom, so I'm hoping to avoid that this time. But some good challah bread, brioche bread could work too. Just a nice bread that'll soak up all this whole egg mixture we made. So honestly, this is such a simple recipe. You just mix this together, you pour it on here, and then you throw it in the oven. And this recipe serves, I think we got like 8 servings out of it. And they're decent sized servings. That's a chunk of pumpkin. So we just poured over the egg mixture, and what I like to do is take a spoon and just kind of make sure every piece of bread is coated in that egg mixture. Oh, I forgot a step. I like to add a little pinch of salt on top. And I like to add more pumpkin pie spice on top. Again, I love pumpkin pie spice. I'm adding a lot. You know, I want to cover it all. And there were no complaints when I made this. So this is going into an oven preheated at 350 for about 40 minutes. Your goal is to make sure that it's set, it's not wet, and it's a little golden brown on top. So keep an eye. Also make sure it's in like the middle of the oven. So I made this whipped vanilla bean maple butter. I'm going to put the recipe in the description below. All you do is whip butter, and then once the butter is whipped, you add the maple syrup and vanilla bean paste, and then this on top of the French toast bake just coming right out of the oven. Delicious. I mean, you could put this on so many different things, but there's a good idea. Destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. Destroy the like button. Watch Steph Graham too much.